Yes, they are. To pursue an action against a trucking company, you need lawyers who specialize in doing this. Trucking cases often require experts to determine whose fault it was. Was the trucking company negligent? The experience of the driver, as well as whose fault was at stake. The trucking companies hire experts immediately to determine fault. That's why you must get to a lawyer immediately so evidence can be gathered to determine who was at fault. The trucking companies defend these cases very aggressively, and you need aggressive counsel.